me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
What up, welcome back to my channel, Essie Gang. I'm back again with another video. So today, y'all, I'm about to give you guys a tutorial on how I got this like aqua blue, teal, green hair color. Let me come up close so y'all can see it. Looks like this. I was really like inspired by Heather Sanders. I love her. I loved when she used to do the little teal blue hair or whatever. That stuff looks so pretty on her, like especially on her skin tone. And I feel like me and her have like similar skin, you know, complexion or whatever. So I was like, man, I should give this a try. And so I got this color. It's not like exactly like hers, but it's still pretty dope. And it's not as popping. Like the color's not like bam in your face, but it's like bam, like a slight bam, you know what I'm saying? Keep on watching so y'all can see how I got this hair color. And yeah, I made this wig myself, y'all. This is the longest hair I've ever had. It go like way, hold on, I'm on the wall sitting like this. It goes way like to my hips. This is 26, 24, 22 with a 20-inch frontal, y'all. Longest bundles of hair I've ever had. I made this wig myself. I did it the lazy girl method. I did it the hot glue gun method. I'll be doing a video on that shortly. But yeah, I love this hair. I love how soft it feels. Like I straightened it out after I colored it and all that, of course. And it feels so good. So you want to start off by getting some T-pins. You can find T-pins at your local beauty supply store. And I just placed like about 5 T-pins all around the frontal of the hair because you want to make sure it's secured while working on your wig when dyeing. And so then I use my Salon Care Prism Lights Blue Bleach, and I get about 2 scoops and I put it in a mixing bowl. That was my sister who ran across there. Anyways, then I use my Salon Care 40 Developer and I pour that in the bowl as well, and I mix it up until I got a good, consistency. Then I section out the hair and I start applying the bleach at the bottom and I work my way up to the top. And basically I'm doing a whole ombre effect because I want my ends to be the lightest out of this whole, situation I'm working on. So yeah, and you want to make sure you're doing this precise and very consistent because you don't want no weirdness going on. So make sure you're coating every strand and you're going section by section, just like how I'm doing right now. I found it easier to just grab the bleach out of the bowl and put it on my hands and just work it up instead of using the brush. But yeah, this is me just concentrating on the ends, Then that's the hair done with the ombre. That is stage 1. Then I go on with my ion color. I use cayenne, and I use that for basically the middle half of the hair. And then this is where I kind of messed up. This is so unnecessary. I use conditioner and developer in the bowl for it. And then I use azure for the ends of the hair. It's like a mint green kind of color. But guys, don't add no conditioner or developer. Just use straight the bottle. It will bring out the color a lot more. So you'll see I had to go in and do it another time because the color wasn't I guess not vibrant enough. It wasn't bold enough. I guess that's the word. But this is me just working it in. I used that first color that I showed you guys right there in the middle because I wanted it to go from black to blue to a green. That's what I was going for. But that's me trying to do all that. But like I told y'all, I kind of screwed up with adding in the conditioner and developer. Should never did none of that mess. This part basically was a mistake. But this is how I got the color I got, so I might as well just, show y'all what I just did.
So yeah, I was trying to brush it out to make sure I coated every strand. And I was trying to use up all the blue because I really wanted it to be blue, but I messed up by diluting it with conditioner. I took away from the color. So then I let that sit for a whole day, hoping that it will change. And this is what we got. This is why I said it was a fail. So I was like, darn. So I went back to Sally's, y'all, and I got me some Ion Color Brilliance. And I got that in the aqua blue color. And I put that all where it was just not taking the color. I put that basically all in the middle of the hair. The ends took well. It was like a green color. So I was just mainly focusing on the middle. And I just did it section by section, make sure I coat the heck out of this hair. Coating it up. And I didn't add no conditioner or no developer. It's just straight the color. And so that's what I learned. When I'm doing these colors, I don't need to add in all that extra. I just use straight the bottle. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, it's a you live and you learn. You know, I'm learning and I'm growing. But yeah, so basically just add in the color. Make sure to work it in. And make sure you coat every strand so you don't have a random brown piece in the middle of your head. So then here's me just trying to make sure every piece was coated. And that's it. Thank you guys.
Anyways, yeah, so this is the final look of the hair, y'all. And I love it. I love how soft this hair feels. I just love the outcome of this color. Even though it didn't come out exactly how I wanted, I'm still satisfied. So yeah, let me go ahead and give you guys a 360. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and make sure you guys check out Annabella hair. All links will be all down below in the description box, okay? Yeah guys, I guess I'll catch you guys in my next video. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys found this helpful, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.